guys, and welcome back to my channel. And finally I came back to my university, Graphic Era deemed to be University Dehradun. And last time I could not show you all the areas of this place, so today I included some of the areas which last time I could not include, like example CSIT block and the ground on which GraphFest is held. And also, if you are a new candidate and you want to take admission in Graphic Era, please go to this main block, and just in the entrance you'll find the reception and you can ask anything regarding your admission. So let's begin the video. And guys, this is electrical department. I'll not be able to go inside, but I'll just show you guys. This is just behind of the main building. You have to go inside through that place. And this is our library that I showed you all last time. Santosh Nand Library. And this is our Param Computer Center, where online exams are held as well as computer classes, and you can also repair your laptops. You can ask somebody regarding that issues. And from here we're going towards biotechnology and civil engineering department, and also football and basketball ground. That is civil department, and this is football ground. And that is Department of Biotechnology. I will not be able to go inside and show you guys. And also you'll find places like this one, from where you can get clean water to drink, especially meant for the students and the faculties, and also the persons who are working here. And right now we are going towards CSIT block through this tunnel. On the way there are certain interesting things like this photo frame kind of thing. to make it look more interesting. And due to this pandemic, it's very less crowded. You'll find only few students and faculties right now. Mostly are faculties. So guys, this is the CSIT block of Graphic Era deemed to be university. So come, let's check out how it looks from the inside. Main gate of the CSIT block, and there we have place to register yourself and to sanitize yourself. Due to this pandemic, they have provided some sanitizers in the entrance. It looks like this, surrounded by beautiful flowers, garden kind of decoration. Actually, this is the main entrance, as you can see, but this is used only during certain occasions. Mostly, other entrance from this side is used most of the time. So we'll be going towards that. They have separate parking lot for this building. And guys, this is the ground on which GraphFest is held every year. But not in the case of this year, due to pandemic, it has been cancelled. But lucky for me, last year I did attend and I did see Niti Mohan and Hadi Sandhu performed. From here, you can watch the main building, the main block, and hostels, boys hostels and girls hostel. Sorry, girls hostel is that side. And then they use this ground on the regular days for playing certain games like football, basketball, kabaddis, any sort of game they can play. So I'm going to show you other place where we hang out to have our lunch and tea, coffee and stuff. So come along with me. This is a small cafeteria just in front of gate 1, and from here we used to take some coffees and teas. So I'll let you meet with the bhaiya and then have a little conversation to show you guys. भैया, आपने देखा कि मैं यहाँ से 2 साल में मतलब हर बार ही आई हूँ आपके यहाँ पे, तो मुझे आप जरा बता सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे और बाकी कैंटीन्स में क्या डिफरेंस है? आपके यहाँ पे ज्यादा शायद कॉफी वगैरह की वैरायटीज है।
हमारी चाय कॉफी कोल्ड ड्रिंक, कोल्ड कॉफ़ी, आइस टी, ऐसी वहाँ पे चिप्स वगैरह, खाने को पेटी, इडली, मोमोज, सैंडविच वगैरह।
तो आपको यहाँ पे ग्राफिक एरा में कितने साल हो गए वैसे?
15-20 साल, 20 साल हो गए।
तो आप बच्चों को जरा बताएंगे कि यहाँ पे और बाकी कैंपस में क्या डिफरेंस है? यहाँ की अच्छी बात क्या है?
अच्छी है मैडम, यहाँ रेट सही है, बाकी कोई बाकी टेस्ट का अपना वो है।
And you can see that items like tea, coffee are very much reasonable. For tea only 10 rupees, for coffee 15 rupees, for ice cream 20 rupees, cold coffee 20 rupees, cappuccino 20 rupees. So within 20 rupees you'll find various items in this canteen cafeteria. आप जरा हमारे लिए 2 ट्राई कर दीजिए। आपके पास इडली बची है? You can get 2 idlis for 10 rupees along with the chutney. I don't like idlis, but most of my friends they prefer to eat idli from this place. Okay, we used to sit here and have our tea. This place smells so
ये
good.
पहले क्या होता था, मतलब ये जगह क्या थी, मतलब
Yeah, I mean कि इसमें इलायची है ना तो अच्छा लगता है.
और ये
And here we have one toilet, one dispensary, and one place for stationaries. You can Xerox and you can buy copy, pen and stuff like that. And dispensary is used for few things like if you have little bit of fever or any pain in your bones, then you can do little checkup and then they will tell you what to do. And then another building, if you can see, that is PNB Bank, and just in front of them you have one PNB ATM. So this is gate number 1. And Graphic Era bus is ready to go because it's time already. It's 5 PM already. So guys, this is the end of this vlog, and I'll make sure to bring part 2. Well, I'll be answering all your Q&A questions. I'll make my faculty and also other faculties and pass out students to answer your queries. So I'll meet you all in the next vlog. Till then, keep watching my videos and my blog. Bye.